Planning a home renovation? Before you start juggling contractors, materials, and schedules, here's why hiring a professional remodeling contractor in Vancouver, Washington can save you time, money, and stress. At KC Remodeling, we know that successful renovations depend on smart resource allocation, meaning the right labor, materials, and timeline all working together seamlessly. Without proper management, projects can face delays, miscommunication between subcontractors, permit issues, and budget overruns. A simple kitchen or bathroom remodel can quickly spiral out of control without expert oversight. That's where KC Remodeling comes in. From home additions and ADUs to basement remodels, garage conversions, decks, and custom homes, our team handles scheduling, sourcing materials, coordinating specialists, and ensuring quality at every step. Plus, we back our work with a free 10-year transferable labor warranty. If you're looking for a trusted remodeling contractor in Vancouver, Washington, contact KC Remodeling today at 3608 032 627.